Here we discuss environmental benefits of plant. Produce oxygen. Plants release oxygen through photosynthesis, essential for human and animal life. Absorb CO2. They help combat climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. Improve air quality. Remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia. Prevent soil erosion. Roots hold soil together, reducing erosion. Support biodiversity. Provide habitats for wildlife, insects, and birds. Regulate water cycle. Help in groundwater recharge and reduce flooding.